Hi there everybody. My name's Jim. I'm a handyman. In fact, I'm a handyman extraordinaire. Almost all of my work comes from the recommendations of customers who have used my services many times. Over there. At number 11, Mrs. Penn told her neighbor, here at number 9, that I could do just about anything. I think she may have been over-egging the cake. But it is nice to know that I am well thought of. Excuse me for one moment, I have to go to Mrs. Penn quickly. She has a problem. She just wanted to tell me to tell you that I can do almost anything. Isn't that nice? I'd better be going now. Thank you for listening to me. Have a lovely day. And if you need me, call me on 07930335937. Bye bye.